Question 1. Within 2 years of passing your driving test, you get 6 penalty points on your license. What are the consequences? A. You would be limited to 6 more penalty points before losing your license. B. You would revert to provisional status. C. You would have to retake your theory and practical tests. D. You would be banned from driving for 12 months. E. You would be restricted to driving a 3-wheeled car. Answer B and C. Question 2. At night you see a pedestrian ahead wearing reflective clothing and carrying a bright red light. This means A. You are approaching a police checkpoint. B. You are coming up behind an organized walk. C. There has been an accident ahead. D. There is a night school crossing patrol ahead. Answer B. You are coming up behind an organized walk. Question 3. What does this sign mean? A. Contraflow traffic in the right-hand lane. B. No through road ahead. C. Right-hand lane is closed ahead. D. Right turn only in 800 yards. Answer C. Right-hand lane is closed ahead. Question 4. You arrive at a serious accident to find a motorcyclist unconscious and bleeding heavily. In order of priority you should A. Check the motorcyclist's airway is clear, ask for witnesses, and try to stop the bleeding. B. Move the motorcyclist off the road, clear any debris, and try to stop the bleeding. C. Check the motorcyclist's airway is clear, try to stop the bleeding, and check the casualty is breathing. D. Check the motorcyclist's airway is clear, check the casualty is breathing, and try to stop the bleeding. Answer D. Check the motorcyclist's airway is clear, check the casualty is breathing, and try to stop the bleeding. Question 5. Driving at night you have been following a slow-moving vehicle. It has been signaling right for some time. You should A. Overtake on the left. B. Assume the driver has forgotten to cancel the signal and overtake. C. Wait until the signal has been cancelled before overtaking. D. Flash your headlights and sound your horn to attract the other driver's attention. Answer C. Wait until the signal has been cancelled before overtaking. Question 6. The driver of the car in front is giving this signal. It means A. The driver is slowing down. B. The driver intends to turn right. C. The driver wants you to overtake. D. The driver intends to turn left. Answer A. The driver is slowing down. Question 7. Which of the following should not be kept in your vehicle? A. A fire extinguisher. B. The MOT certificate. C. A first aid kit. D. The vehicle registration document, logbook. E. The tax disc. Answer B and D. Question 8. You are trying to move off on snow. You should A. Use the lowest gear you can. B. Keep the engine revs high to prevent stalling. C. Use the highest gear you can for the conditions. D. Put on your hazard warning lights. Answer C. Use the highest gear you can for the conditions. Question 9. You break down on a motorway. To call for help it may be better to use an emergency roadside telephone rather than a mobile phone because A. It will connect you directly to a national breakdown service. B. It would be illegal to use the mobile phone. C. The emergency services will be able to locate you more easily. D. It will connect you directly to a local garage. Answer C. The emergency services will be able to locate you more easily. Question 10. At an accident you are treating a burn victim. The shortest time you should call the burn for is A. 5 minutes. B. 10 minutes. C. 15 minutes. D. 20 minutes. Answer B. 10 minutes. Question 11. Where would you see this sign? A. In the window of a car taking children to school. B. At the side of the road. C. At playground areas. D. On the rear of a school bus or coach. Answer: D. On the rear of a school bus or coach. Question 12. Driving along this country road, you see horses and riders approaching. You should: A. Give plenty of room. B. Give a light tap of your horn. C. Flash your headlights. D. Drive past slowly and carefully. E. Speed up to get past the danger promptly. F. Select a low gear and keep your engine speed high as you pass. Answer: A and D. Question 13. As a new driver, how likely are you to have an accident compared to more experienced drivers? A. Less likely. B. More likely. C. About the same. D. It depends on your age. Answer: B. More likely. Question 14. Why is it good planning to take regular stops on a long journey? A. To reduce engine wear, particularly on fast roads. B. To avoid losing concentration. C. To check your route. D. To adjust the driving seat and mirrors. Answer: B. To avoid losing concentration. Question 15. Approaching a sharp bend on an icy road, what two things should you do for safety? A. Keep the clutch pedal down. B. Accelerate to keep the wheels gripping. C. Use as high a gear as you can. D. Slow down well before the bend. E. Put on hazard warning lights. Answer: C and D. Question 16. Which of the following affect your thinking distance? A. The weather conditions. B. Your health. C. Your distance from the vehicle ahead. D. Your concentration. E. The speed of your vehicle. Answer: B and D and E. Question 17. What is the maximum legal level of alcohol you can have in your breath when driving? A. 50 micrograms per 100 milliliters. B. 35 micrograms per 100 milliliters. C. 100 micrograms per 100 milliliters. D. 80 micrograms per 100 milliliters. Answer: B. 35 micrograms per 100 milliliters. Question 18. On a busy road, you realize you are going the wrong way. You should: A. Pull into a side road and reverse out into the main road to turn round. B. Do a 3-point turn. C. Find a quiet road to turn round in. D. Make a quick U-turn. Answer: C. Find a quiet road to turn round in. Question 19. You see this sign ahead and should: A. Slow down to 30 miles per hour or less after you pass the sign. B. Keep to about 35 miles per hour after the sign. C. Make sure you are traveling at 30 miles per hour or less as you reach the sign. D. Assume it is safe to drive at 30 miles per hour after the sign. Answer: C. Make sure you are traveling at 30 miles per hour or less as you reach the sign. Question 20. What is the closest you should park your car to a junction? A. 5 meters, 16 feet. B. 10 meters, 33 feet. C. 15 meters, 50 feet. D. 20 meters, 65 feet. Answer: B. 10 meters, 33 feet. Question 21. What will happen if you push the clutch pedal down when traveling down a steep hill? A. Your brakes will not work. B. The clutch plate will wear unevenly. C. The vehicle will slow down. D. The vehicle will speed up. Answer: D. The vehicle will speed up. Question 22. If you have to park your car on a road in fog, what should you do? A. Leave on your headlights and rear fog lights. B. Leave on your side lights. C. Leave on your rear fog lights and side lights. D. Leave on your hazard warning lights. Answer: B. Leave on your side lights. Question 23. You are following the long vehicle towards a mini roundabout. You wish to turn right and should: A. Pull alongside the long vehicle. B. Keep back until the long vehicle has cleared the mini roundabout. C. Drive on the white roundabout marking. D. Expect the driver ahead to keep left. Answer: B. Keep back until the long vehicle has cleared the mini roundabout. Question 24. You are about to overtake a cyclist. Which one of these signs would make you take special care? Sign A. Sign B. Sign C. Sign D. Answer: Sign B. Question 25. You are driving up a steep hill on a narrow road. A lorry is coming from the opposite direction and will need to pass a parked car. You should: A. Expect the lorry to give way to you. B. Accelerate to clear the hazard. C. Be ready to give way to the lorry. D. Flash your lights to beckon the lorry driver through. Answer: C. Be ready to give way to the lorry. Question 26. After you give a signal to make a right turn at a junction, why is it important to get into position in good time? A. To stop any other drivers from getting to the junction before you. B. To help other road users anticipate what you intend to do. C. To hold up following traffic if necessary. D. To get a better view into the junction you are approaching. Answer: B. To help other road users anticipate what you intend to do. Question 27. You are driving at the speed limit and a following driver wants to overtake. There is a slower vehicle ahead. What should you do? A. Allow the following driver to overtake. B. Move to the right to prevent the following driver from overtaking. C. Ignore the following driver and concentrate on the vehicle ahead. D. Give a signal and pull out to overtake the slow vehicle ahead of you. Answer: A. Allow the following driver to overtake. Question 28. Carrying a heavy load in your car will: A. Not affect your steering. B. Not affect your steering or braking. C. Affect your braking only in a bend. D. Affect your braking only. E. Affect your car's handling, particularly in a bend. Answer: E. Affect your car's handling, particularly in a bend. Question 29. A breakaway cable on a caravan is designed so that: A. Overloaded caravans can be towed more safely. B. The caravan will slow if the towing hitch comes loose. C. The caravan can be released when driving. D. The caravan can be released more quickly in an emergency. Answer: B. The caravan will slow if the towing hitch comes loose. Question 30. You notice a strong smell of petrol when driving. You should: A. Speed up to increase the airflow through your car. B. Stop and investigate the problem. C. Mention it when you next have your vehicle serviced. D. Look out for a nearby fuel station. Answer: B. Stop and investigate the problem.